Every day, we wake up and face a world filled with opportunities to learn and grow. It's fascinating, isn't it? The idea that we can actively engage in habits that not only enhance our intelligence, but also enrich our lives in countless ways. So, let's dive into 15 habits that can make you smarter every day. These habits are not just for the intellectual elite, they're for everyone. You don't need to be a genius to adopt them. You just need a willingness to learn and grow. First up, let's talk about reading. It's the classic habit that never goes out of style. Reading expands your vocabulary, improves your comprehension, and introduces you to new ideas and perspectives. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or even articles online, the act of reading stimulates your brain and keeps it sharp. Try to set aside at least 20 minutes a day for reading. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can finish a book and how much knowledge you can absorb. Next, let's consider journaling. Writing down your thoughts, experiences, and reflections can be incredibly powerful. It helps you process your emotions and clarify your thoughts. Plus, journaling can improve your writing skills and enhance your ability to articulate your ideas. Just grab a notebook or open a digital document and start writing. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be honest. Now let's move on to learning a new language. It may sound daunting, but the cognitive benefits are immense. Learning a new language improves your memory, enhances problem-solving skills, and even delays cognitive decline as you age. There are countless apps and resources available that make this process enjoyable and accessible. Even just dedicating a few minutes a day to practice can yield significant results over time. Another habit to adopt is to engage in discussions. Conversations with others can expose you to new ideas and viewpoints. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking and encourage you to explore different perspectives. Don't shy away from debates. They can be enlightening and help you refine your own beliefs. Let's not forget about the power of curiosity. Cultivating a curious mindset can lead to a deeper understanding of the world around you. Ask questions, seek answers, and explore topics that intrigue you. Embrace the idea that not knowing something is just the first step toward learning. Curiosity opens doors to new knowledge and experiences. Next, we need to talk about physical exercise. Yes, you heard that right. Exercise is not just about physical health. It's also essential for mental clarity and cognitive function. Regular physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, which can enhance memory and learning abilities. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, find a form of exercise that you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Now, let's shift gears and discuss mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help reduce stress and improve focus. Taking just a few minutes each day to meditate can clear your mind and enhance your ability to concentrate on tasks. Mindfulness encourages you to be present in the moment, which can lead to greater awareness and understanding of your surroundings. Another habit that can boost your intelligence is to embrace failure. It's easy to fear failure, but it's often our greatest teacher. When you fail, you learn valuable lessons that can guide you in the future. Instead of avoiding challenges, seek them out. Embrace the discomfort that comes with trying something new, and understand that every setback is an opportunity for growth. Let's also talk about setting goals. Having clear, achievable goals gives you direction and purpose. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. This habit not only keeps you motivated, but also encourages continuous learning as you strive to reach your objectives. Next on our list is to consume diverse media. This means branching out from your usual sources of information. Explore podcasts, documentaries, and articles from a variety of fields and topics. Exposing yourself to different forms of media can broaden your understanding of complex issues and inspire innovative thinking. Now, let's discuss the importance of sleep. It's not just about feeling rested. Sleep is crucial for cognitive function. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories and processes information from the day. Prioritize a good night's sleep, and you'll find that your ability to think critically and creatively improves significantly. Another excellent habit is to teach others. When you explain concepts to someone else, you reinforce your own understanding. Teaching requires you to clarify your thoughts and articulate them clearly, which deepens your knowledge. Whether it's tutoring a friend or sharing your expertise online, teaching is a powerful way to learn. Let's not overlook the value of travel. Exploring new places exposes you to different cultures, ideas, and ways of life. Travel challenges your assumptions and broadens your perspective. Even if you can't travel far, exploring your local area can provide new insights and experiences. Finally, let's wrap up with the habit of gratitude. Practicing gratitude can shift your mindset and enhance your overall well-being. When you take time to reflect on what you're thankful for, you cultivate a positive outlook that can improve your mental clarity and resilience. Incorporating these 15 habits into your daily routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, pick a few that resonate with you, and gradually build on them. Remember, the journey to becoming smarter is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Embrace the process, enjoy the learning, and watch as your intelligence and understanding of the world grow exponentially. Every day is a new opportunity to learn something new, and by adopting these habits, you're not just making yourself smarter. You're enriching your life in ways you may not even realize. So, let's get started on this journey together.